Yesterday, when we revisited the area known as Kubiri along Bombo Road in Mukwenda Zone, Makere Parish, we found many of the owners still in shock following the fire that saw 14 cars in this garage destroyed. Most of the car owners whose vehicles were destroyed in the inferno continue to demand for compensation. Mike Muchibi, one of the garage managers, says they currently have no money to pay their customers.
We are just looking. We don't know what we shall do next. We are just there.
We also learned that the garage wasn't insured.
For the insurance issue, we cannot talk about it because we are not insured.
However, an insurance expert has said all those who had motor comprehensive insurance on their cars still have a window to ask their insurers for compensation.
It was not arson, it was malicious damage caused by people that are selfish, I would call them. Then the other trigger would be fire, because the insurance policy for motor comprehensive is extended to cover malicious damage, fire and theft, accidental damage and third-party liabilities. So whoever has a policy, comprehensive policy for their motor, they are fully covered if their cars were burnt in that garage. Like any other business, we're also in business. Insurance cannot cover you 100% because we do not want to allow room for negligence in the policy period. So that is why we do not cover 100%. You find that most of the policies, by practice, we cover up to 85%. Because we do not want you to go on knocking everyone because you know you're comprehensively covered.
However, this limits those who have long gone stop renewing the insurance covers.
As per guidelines of IRA, the Insurance Regulatory Authority, we have cash and carry. Every time you go buy an insurance policy, immediately you have to pay the premiums. So one of the instances where you're not going to be compensated is if you didn't pay the premiums on time. But
Asman Matovu, a lawyer with Musangala Advocates, has asked all those who lost property not to hurry to task Muchibi, the garage owner, to compensate them.
Of the premises can also bring the different defenses under negligence or occupiers liability. One, he may say this is an inevitable accident. This is something that was unforeseen. Whereas there were disagreements among the members, but this is something that was not foreseen, that someone would set something ablaze.
Raymond Tamale, NTV.